My skin is about to be bomb. Bomb. Hey guys, thank you so much for popping in. It's a girl, see. Oh yeah, I'm looking so calm in this video, like nothing so ambiguous. Well, it's the kind of setup that I did. It's a lazy kind of setup, so this is probably not a very good lightning, but well, I just said I should quickly open here and show you the package that I got and just do a quick unboxing video. This was sent to me by Organiksbyjane, and I just received it today. Organiksbyjane is a Nigerian brand that makes skin and natural hair products. Okay, so I got this from them and we are going to be opening this together. This will probably be my first unboxing video on YouTube, so let's go. I don't know what's in it, but I'm excited about it because I know she has introduced natural hair products. Unlike before, when I first knew Organiksbyjane, they were basically on skin products, but now they've introduced hair products, and I'm excited to know what is in this. I hope it's our products. Oh. Oh, okay. This is actually a bag, not a brown paper. Oh, actually, I've been noticing the way they package their products, not using plastic. This is like green friendly, okay, eco friendly, sorry, yeah. They don't put it in plastic bag, it comes in a paper bag, which is cute. I love it. So let's go in and see what's in here. Oh. This is a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This is actually it. So let's see. I'm not a very patient person. Oh, it is for hair. This is cute, and it's clarifying shampoo for natural hair. This is cute, and it's black soap. For the ingredients in it, black soap, water, of course, neem, turmeric. Oh, those are good herbs. Palm kernel oil, that's great. Glycerin for moisture. Roots, coconut oil, cabbage seed, essential oil. Wow. And I also love the fact that it put best before here, so best before 12 weeks from manufacture. So I have to use this within three months, or let's say 2 months, because I don't know since when they manufactured it, so but I'm guessing it's recent, so 2 to 3 months we have to use this. The second hint here is herbal conditioner rinse out. Herbal conditioner rinse out with hibiscus. Oh my god, that's a lot of vitamin C in the product, and clove. Wow, I'm excited. Same thing, best before 12 weeks from manufacture. So what do we have here? Deep pore cleansing balm, activated charcoal and bentonite clay. Okay, so which one is this? Fine from used within 6 months after purchase. So I've got to be scrubbing myself, and this smells like coffee, like there's coffee in it. Okay, this is also a face and body bar. Okay, so I have to start using this now, so I can come up with a review in about a month actually for all the skin products. Remain one. This is air mist, how AYURVEDIC reviving hair. Hydrolyzed keratin, rose water, calendula, chamomile, glycerin, distilled water. Okay, so we're gonna not be reviving our hair now. I don't do that actually. I don't revive any hair after wash day. I barely do it, except I feel my hair is so dry. So this is cute. These are so cute. And the card. Thank you, Sandy Dipsy. We love you to know that we lovingly had you in mind while creating this yummy body hair treat. It was also handmade and packed with love from start to finish, with all the love in our hearts. Yes, you are that important to us. We hope that you enjoy using this as much as we did making them. And oh, one more thing, please don't forget to reach out to us to leave us your feedback and reviews. That's one of the ways we can get better. Thank you once again. Organiksbyjane, Organiksbyjane. Oh, this is cute. Thank you so much, Organiksbyjane, by sending me your product. I wasn't expecting something this much actually. I would have thought it would just be only hair product, since I've done a review of skin product before for the brand. But I've been following the brand. I know that they've upgraded so much in this 1 year. They've added so much products to their line, and these are just a part of it. There are more. I told you they make something too for the men, and this is beautiful actually. I'm surprised that I got skincare products actually. But it's like Organiksbyjane is just always coming when I need it most. Anyway, so I'll be making reviews of the hair products. Anyways, I'll be making the review of the skin products maybe after a month or two, depending on how fast I can come up with something to say about it. And for the hair products, that's usually like easy to do. I'm actually going to be using the hair product tomorrow because I'm washing my hair tomorrow. My hair is in a very terrible state right now. It is still twisted to some twist, and I'll be washing, and then I'm supposed to have washed this hair, but it's looking so horrible. The twist is looking so messed up, so I'll be using the hair products. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you again for sending me your products. If you're new on this channel, please hit the like button, turn on your notification bell, hit the subscribe button, because there is no way you can turn on notification if you've not subscribed to my channel. Please feel free to go through all the content that I have on this channel. If this seems like what you need, definitely stay around and click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'm going to see you in my next video.